96 voters from 35 families has again joined IPFT party from different political parties on Saturday at Ananda Bazaar village. The Tribal Welfare Minister Shukla Charan Nuatia and the IPFT Treasurer Advocate Amit Debarma has welcomed them with their party flag.
After the 56 voters from 36 family has joined the IPFT parties from different political parties on Friday at Telemura Chakmagat, another 96 voters from 35 families from Ananda Bazaar has joined the IPFT parties from different political parties on Saturday. The Tribal Welfare Minister Shukla Charan Nuatia and IPFT Treasurer Advocate Amit Debarma has welcomed them with their party flag. On Saturday, a conference meet was held at the Ananda Bazaar Community Hall under Kanchanpur Division. The Secretary of IPFT, Tripura Tribal Welfare Minister Shukla Charan Nuatia, IPFT Treasurer Advocate Amit Debarma, BSC Chairman of Dosta Block Udan Ramriang, Chairman of North Tripura Division Thamanjoy Debarma, Central Leader of IWFT Shumali Riang, and other officials were present in the event. For about 96 voters from 35 families has joined the IPFT party in the conference meet. The Tribal Welfare Minister Shukla Charan Nuatia and IPFT Treasurer Advocate Amit Debarma has welcomed them with their party flag.
Ini 13 tarik Mas 2023 IPFT Kanchanpur Division Committee Nyonggai sini Minister Felicitation Program the Division Executive Committee ni bahana Malaimani Panda aro jagao tini Kanchanpur Division Committee ni jot leaders rokna hambai marubo tei tini ni sini Felicitation Program haikaba sini leader get together haikaba Malaimani Panda wo organize khlainani thangtani wo tini haina haitei Kubon political party 35 family ni 96 voter different political party ni yakare sini IPFT ni banawa ba IPFT ni badala hina hai paro ai sini banawa na ram phaja te sini kan phaja te borapna lamsogoi galaikana kha ka hambai jang borapna hambai marubo ni kabang ma kubon badala tongmani jarawa lama koroi tamo jarawa hina hai semai basa kan ni bagai Barna sini party ni banaya farai barna kha kambe lam soka sini aur jaga wa Kanchanpur division ni sini senior te IPFT central committee leader te IWFT youth IPFT te aur sini BSC chairman Dosta block te TRP and PTG department ba haina sini DLC chairman ama hikoi kabang ma sini leader of tongo te borok lang ba haina balakana hambai marawo ama hikoi na bas kanga ba haina hai te bisa sini Kanchanpur Division Committee ke Khorang ni basanai abu sini poi jatongo jara kisawa kisisa sini party no odre korplai ko party ro tini sarajantra khlai sini party ni kabang leader ro sarajantra bo khlaika tabu election ni pore bo realize ma khlaika tabu agami dino jata sini sarin si deborma saiklang mani ko jasukon angthong IPFT party abo salcha hena hai divisia Khorang ni basa pinai naro samung tangai thangbi lukorok naro logere phainai o boitabai da sung tini bahina hai divisia mo Kanchanpur division sini joining ni program samman rawa jurai bari hoite sabrum pojonto sara tibrawa IPFT ni bana ba IPFT ni party o joining program cholai tongo khaklayo buskanga wedding human ni bisinga IPFT ni teibo strong position sung sapai manai o chini believe tongo chini poito tongo aban bagina haste ni jot lukorokna sung kabanga ni muchungo IPFT party ni bisingti da phana thansa khlaika IPFT party ni bisingti da phana hamjakna ni phurungka IPFT ni party ni bisingti ha da phana hamjakna ni phurungka te IPFT ni bisingti sung kono dina sini da phana bisinga sung kono dina violence sung ni bagai hekaba nice lamang bulai laimang tok laimang podre por sunu khai election ni jarawa kinta IPFT kono dina omo hai sini supporter na sung saya aba borok no sawi tongo agami dina borok no jawab nai sini party discipline party sini party kaisa government of India ni ti dulung bai sini election commission of India ni kaisa political party kaisa registered party o party bino sung buskango sini dofani bagi samung tangai thangai sini ha dofani bagi sung buskango.
The President of Kanchanpur Division, Sukumar Riang, hosts the meeting on that day. In coming days, a lot more voters will be joining the IPFT party from different places, says the Tribal Welfare Minister Shukla Charan Nuatia. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.